Yo, what up guys, it's your boy G right here. You guys see my new baby 2020 Indian Challenger Darkhorse and white smoke. I just got it, have maybe like 800 miles on it or so. But the first thing, you guys know me, I had to change the exhaust. As a matter of fact, it's gonna be only the slip-ons, which are right here. We will be installing these today. It's gonna be a very simple video, nothing fancy, nothing crazy, just showing you guys how to install this on that new Challenger. Here, let me fire it up, let me show you how the bike sounds like when it's stuck. And then you guys can listen to it. It's very quiet, very, very quiet. That's it, nothing special. So I would say let's go ahead and get these slip-ons installed from Tab Performance. Those are the Tab Performance BAM sticks with the Zombie Baffles. Loud and proud, baby. Alright, let's get going. Alright, first things first, you want to take the side cover off. It's very easy. So it just plugs in, there's no screws involved or whatever. So you got these little thingies, you're just gonna pop it off. You're gonna unplug this connector right here. So do that first. Once that connector is unplugged, you're going to go open up your saddlebags and take the two bolts off from here, and then the saddlebag would literally fall towards your side. You're just gonna take it and put it to the side like I have it over there. So now do the same thing on this side. You can literally just grab it right here, pull it off, and you're gonna take this piece out. Boom, that's it. I did it all with one hand. So remember, take that connector here off. So all you gotta do is unplug this guy like that, this guy from here like that, and that's it. So same thing over here. You're going to take your Allen key, put it inside, and then you're gonna unscrew it. Alright, just like that. Do this on both sides. Alright, so then you want to go ahead and start removing all the bolts and stuff. So right here, the antenna I have in my hand right here is connected right there. So you want to take it off. It's an 8mm right there. Make sure that the washer and stuff, everything is going to go back in reversed order the way it came out. So you're going to take this off, and then you're going to grab a, what is this here, 1/2-inch socket, and you're gonna take the bolt off that is right there as well. So there's two of these on each side, one here and one on the other side of the bike. So take these off too. Alright guys, so next step, once you have removed the bolts here in the back, see, you're gonna go down here and you're gonna loosen. Let me see if I can find it here. This guy, this one right here with my fingers. You're gonna take this one off, and you're gonna loosen also this guy right here. So this one and this guy right here. Okay, you're gonna take both of these. This one you're gonna loosen, and this one you'll take off completely. And then maybe some WD-40 sprayed in there so it gets off easier. Alright, so let's do this next. Also, when you put that clamp back on, put it on previously, you know. Slide it on like this, and then you'll be able to slide it right in there. So I'm gonna use a little bit of WD-40 around it, and then we can slide that baby in. Alright, so after you slid in both slip-ons on the exhaust headers, you know, you put everything back in reversed order. Very simple. I'm not gonna go too deep into this because it's very self-explanatory. You know, you just do everything back in reverse order. You put your side covers on, you put your saddlebags on at the end, etc., etc., etc. So since they are installed, I don't know if you've noticed, but I forgot to buy the freaking tips. I don't know why, but I thought that the stock exhaust tips are removable, but they are not. Looks a little goofy, but that's fine. I'll change that and buy myself some tips. But I would say let's go for a ride and see how it sounds like outside. And then I'll bring it back into the garage and then I'll start it up one more time for you guys. So see you then. Alright guys, so I'm actually very happy with these Tab Performance BAM sticks with Zombie Baffles, but I don't know what the hell happened, but I forgot to buy the tips. I seriously thought, I don't know why, I thought that the stock exhaust, that the tips are removable. Why was I thinking that? I have no idea, man, but I will get my tips because this looks kind of goofy, but it will do for now. Anyways, so super happy with them. Super loud, nice and deep. And here, I'm gonna fire it up one last time here for you guys inside the garage. You guys had the sound clip videos of me driving it outside, but shit, this is how it sounds like. Oh shit, I don't have my key here. Hold on. Alright. Keys are here. Let's fire it up. I mean, the video sound doesn't do its justice. Freaking loud. Alright guys, so I made a whole video about the installation of these BAM sticks, which I will post soon, and I'll keep you guys posted. Other than that, I can only recommend it. And time to clean her up and then ride with it tomorrow and see, you know, how it sounds during the day. I see you guys then. It's your boy G. Ride safe, guys.